Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. So today I needed some chalk paint and I'm currently out. I have ordered some, but it hasn't gotten here yet. So I went online and found this recipe and we're going to try it now. All that you need is the color of paint that you want to use, and I'm going to use this Acrylic white, a measuring cup, and baking soda. And that's all that they say is to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure out 1/3 cup of baking soda. And you'll find I don't really measure stuff, I just sort of eyeball it. That looks good. Now I need a 2/3 cup of my paint. So I think what we're going to do is just use all the paint that's in the bottle. Okay, so that seems to be mixed up pretty well. So now I'm going to find something to actually put it in. I have this old mason jar. You can see it's very small, it's very short. So now we're going to put our paint in our jar. Scrape around the edges so we can get all of our paint as much as we can into this jar. Okay guys, stick around for my next project to see if this chalk paint works. I've got a piece of old wood that has already been stained, and we're going to paint it with this chalk paint. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Our board seems to be pretty dry. It's really rough feeling, so next time I will probably use less of the baking soda or more paint. I didn't realize I was about out of that paint also. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this piece outside and sand it up a little bit, and I'll show you what the end result looks like. Okay, so I'm back inside. I sanded it down and made it look old and rustic. I love this kind of look, and it turned out perfect. So I don't think I will be spending high prices on chalk paint anymore. I'm just going to use it with baking soda. I mean, you can get baking soda for less than $1, and then just use your craft paints. Next time I may try it with the Dollar General acrylic paint and see how that does.